So guys, for today's video, gawa naman tayo ng easy way of making a stroganoff beef. Lagyan natin to na guys, mantika guys. Lagyan muna natin yung yung beef to, stroganoff beef. Ituin muna natin guys for about 2 to 3 minutes. So become brown. Yan. Wala yung niya guys, yung pula. As you can see on the other side guys, I have pasta here guys. Any kind of pasta it will do guys. Yung ginagamit ko pini pasta guys. Yan. Pinakuluan ko muna guys yung pini pasta. Yan. Lagay mo natin guys. Yan. Para mawala yung dugo niya. Yan. So, huwag natin lagay lahat guys para hindi masyadong crowded guys. Kaya natin nakadistansya yung mga beef sa stroganoff. So guys, pwede natin ito baliktarin guys. Nakita nyo sa itaas guys, nag-ano na yung niya, yung dugo, kung para dugo guys. Nag-bread na yung taas. So baliktarin na natin guys. Natin baliktarin. It will do 2 to 3 minutes guys. Easy lang. Parang prito, ganun prito, pero huwag masyadong malakas ang apoy guys. Ano siya guys, makunak. Parang rubber band. Medium fire lang guys. Pagkatapos ito guys, pag naano na guys, well done na. Ilagay sa bowl, tsaka takpan para lumambot siya guys. Para hindi makunat. Ayan, nabaliktad na lahat guys. Nabaliktad na lahat. Ayan, nabaliktad na lahat. So guys, well done na guys. Ilagay natin sa bowl guys. Ayan. Saka natin takpan guys ha, para lumambot siya guys. Hindi siya makunat. Takpan natin para lumambot. Hindi siya makunat. So, we'll start making the second batch of beef guys. Ayan, nakakpan ko na. So, ayan guys, tapos na natin. Parang dito konti yung beef pasta ko na. So, let's start guys. Tapos na. No. Takpan muna natin. Lagyan natin ng butter guys. Butter. Ayan, butter. Ayan. Lagyan natin yung white onion. White onion guys. Ayan, white onion. Haluin. Maglakay tayo na konti. Ano guys, garlic. Ito garlic to guys. Garlic. Yan. Yung iba guys, ipahuli yung garlic pa sa akin. Nauna yung onion tsaka garlic. Para may lasa. Tapos mushroom guys, mushroom. It will do brown or white mushroom guys ha. Kung anong meron sa inyo, brown or white, it will do guys. Another easy way of making beef astragonop to guys. Ayun natin ma-brown guys. Kailangan naka-high fire siya guys ha. Naka-high fire to guys. Ayan, nag-brown na siya guys. Nag-brown na. Tapos lagyan natin ng cornstarch. 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. It will do or flour guys. Ayan. Na. Saka natin lagyan ng 1 cup vegetable broth or any enhancer available sa inyo guys. It will do. Magic sarap, ginisa mix, it will do. Pero sa akin, vegetable broth ang ginamit ito guys. Lagay sa 1 cup na tubig at haluin. Yan. Yan. Tapos lagyan ng black paper. Black paper. And salt. Yan. Looks yummy na guys. So, kahit mushroom pa lang guys. So, lagay na natin yung ano guys. With heavy cream. Heavy cream, 3/4 cup of heavy cream guys. Ang ano nito guys. Ito 1 cup man to guys. Ano siya rin. It will do 3/4 cup. Yan, heavy cream. Yan. Tapos, lagyan ng sour cream, guys. I-mix muna natin, guys. Lagyan natin yung pinaan natin yung apoy. Para hindi siya mag-stick. Yan. Sour cream to, guys. Lagyan ng sour cream. Ang sour cream. Simmer na guys. So, yummy. Lagyan natin ng kunting toyo, guys. Toyo. 1 spoon, it will do. Yan. Tsaka mustard dyan, guys. Mustard dito guys. Mustard. Lagyan ng mustard. So, looks creamy. So, lagyan na natin yung astragonop leaf guys. So, this is it. Guys, easy making of beef astragonop guys. Yan, may idea na kayo guys. Hinaan lang yung apoy ha. Kasi luto naman siya guys. Hinaan lang. So, ready to serve na to guys. Ready to serve. So, that's all for today's video guys. Thank you for watching. Yummy, napakayami guys.